And he said it. He was like, I'm gonna make people want these super expensive cars and make them very reliable and all this other stuff. Then as he built that money up to build all of this, he now makes cheaper cars that are now affordable. Like the new Tesla's like $35,000.
Building off of the technology with what you talk about with apps, of course, you're familiar with Elon Musk.
Yes.
What do you think of his grand business gestures from Tesla to SpaceX to wanting to build tunnels? Do you think it's all for some sort of global domination, or do you think he's just a genius who wants to help the world?
If there's anybody that I would allow for total global domination, it would be Elon Musk. I mean, he forced us all to have Tesla cars and Cybertrucks. Oh no, have them. If you can figure that out, more power to you. I like Elon. I like his business model of like he made these super expensive cars early on, and he said it. He was like, I'm gonna make people want these super expensive cars and make them very reliable and all this other stuff. Then as he built that money up to build all of this, he now makes cheaper cars that are now affordable. Like the new Tesla's like $35,000. I forget, I think it's like the Tesla SYX, one of those. And then like the Cybertruck is actually semi-affordable, like the base model. So I think that's really cool. Kanye West said the same thing. Kanye said, I'm gonna make these Adidas super expensive, and people was buying them for so much money. And so that he could end up charging a lesser amount later. You build that name, you build that quality, and then you make it accessible for everybody else. So that's global domination, man. More power to you. It's definitely a better route than what Hitler tried to do. So, more power to you.